In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to install GCam on CMF Phone 2 Pro. So first of all, we're gonna open the Play Store and let's search for an app that is called GCamator. So this is the app that we can use in order to check if GCam is possible to use on this phone. Usually, you can find the a certain version of the GCamator that should work for this phone. However, sometimes they are not available, but we can use some alternatives from different phones that sometimes can be compatible and sometimes not fully or not at all. So once we open the app, the good news is that we have the camera to API module enabled, so this is good news. But as you can see, GCam for this phone is not available yet, so we need to request the GCam. And after some time, perhaps in the future, if you open this app, you will see the information that it is actually available on this phone, so then you can just install it over here. However, if you are watching this video in the future and still there is no GCam available, then we can go to GCams over here at the bottom, and let's actually write CMF over here in order to see if we have a compatible CMF version, but no. So we can also type nothing, as this is also the phone, of course we have CMF by nothing, so this is the same, and these are the same phones. And let's search for some compatible versions. So what you are looking for is the newest Android version and the newest GCam version. And we have just a couple of examples, but we have, for example, GCam 9.2, so this is the newest version. I'm gonna press start download. And we need to wait for the app to download the GCam APK file for us. After that, you will need to grant the permission to install apps from unknown sources, but we're gonna do that in a second. First, let's wait for the GCam to be installed. There we go, sorry, downloaded. Now we can press OK, and of course you can try to install right away, but most of the time, unfortunately, it's not working from this app. So we're gonna close the app, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the Files app by Google, the file manager over here, in order to go to downloads. There we go, and I'm gonna try to install from here. So I'm gonna tap here on this app and let's try to install it. Let's go to settings because we need to grant permission over here, and let's press install. And after a short while, we should be able to find the GCam on our phone, which should be actually named camera. So in my case, it is this one. Of course, if you download GCam for a different phone, there might be some bugs, the GCam might not work at all. So we're gonna try to test what is available, if it works or if it doesn't. In this case, I also need to grant permissions to manage all files. And then let's grant permissions over here. There we go. Let's press done. And there we go, we have different versions. So far so good. They seem to be working, meaning that we can switch between different modes, so that's good. I'm gonna also try to switch to the front camera. Okay, it works, so also good news. So it seems that it is somewhat possible to use the GCam. Let's see if we can take a photo. It seems like yes, it is possible. Although it has those weird, I guess the preview doesn't work really, so let's reopen the app. So while we seem to be able to capture photos using this GCam app, the preview seems to be not really working. Let's try to also use the zoom, and the zoom seems to be working just fine as well. Let's switch to the video mode. Over here we can change the resolution. So yeah, it seems that everything is working, or at least most of the features are working. But like I said, some features might be missing, some features might be broken, and the app may crash from time to time, simply because this specific version over here is not truly compatible with this specific phone. So, but yeah, like I'm saying, it seems to be working most of the time just fine. So yeah, the answer seems to be actually yes. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!